Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel City. So this video is regarding selected cue cards for your February 2021 real IELTS test. Okay, so we already updated cue cards for last 2-3 months and it was almost correct. So today also we are going to discuss what all are the topics you can expect during your speaking test on February 2021. So let's start with the video now. So the first cue card is describe a time you made a promise to someone. So you want to describe about a time you made a promise to someone. You should include whom did you make the promise to, what the promise was, why you made the promise, was the promise easy to achieve. So here you can see that you want to use past tense. Okay. So always try to recognize which tense you want to use. According to that only you want to speak up. Okay. So it's better to give an introduction first. So here you can start like, many people are pretty casual about making promises. And it really irritates me. When people make promises or commitments, they have no intention to keep. But I'm not a person like that. I will try my level best to fulfill my promises. Moving on to next cue card. Describe an art exhibition that you visited. So you want to talk about an art exhibition that you visited. So you should include when you saw this exhibition, where the exhibition was held, what was on display, and explain your impression on that particular exhibition. So you can start like, according to our Indian culture, we are giving more importance to art forms like painting, music, dance. Okay, you can give some examples, or else you can directly start like, when I was little, I went to a museum near my hometown to see a painting exhibition. Okay, or any form of exhibition you can talk about. Moving on to the next cue card, describe your first day at school. So it's a golden memory in everyone's life. Right? Anyway, you should include where it was, what happened, whether you enjoyed or not, and how you felt about it now. So I already updated one sample answer for this cue card. So if you didn't watch that means try to go through the link in the description box. Anyway, you can start out the talk like, well, I think first day in school is like a milestone in every child's life. Even though I'm not remembering more about those days, but I heard a lot from my parents and sister about my schooling. So here I like to talk about those days. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a skill that you can teach other people. So previously we had one cue card like the skill you want to learn or the skill which you already learned, like that. You can see that describe a skill that you can teach other people. That means you are an expert in that. So you can talk about any type of skills, that may be life skills like swimming, driving and all, or that may be a communication skill or any particular language or even cooking skill. Okay. And try to add how you learned that particular skill. Who taught you that particular skill? Next cue card. Describe a time when you had to wait in a long line or long queue. While hearing this particular question, we all Indians will remember about an occasion which happened in 8 November 2016. The government of India announced the demonetization of all 500 and 100 rupee banknotes of the Mahatma Gandhi series. So that time we all had to wait in a long queue to exchange our old notes with new ones. That time we need to provide ID proof to bank authorities and all. Okay, so we all will remember that particular occasion. So you can talk about that. Okay. So you need to explain in detail when it was, how long the queue or line was, what it was about, and how you felt about waiting in this long queue for a long time. Okay. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a person who wear unusual clothes. So unusual in the sense not as usual, not as we wear normally. Okay, so you should say who is he, how do you know him, what kind of clothes he wear, why do you consider that his clothings are weird. So that person may be your friend or your family member or some unknown person maybe you saw while visiting any particular place. Like some people like to wear formal dresses always. They won't use any type of casual wears. And while thinking about some ladies, they will always like to wear dresses or blouses with full sleeves or with the collars along with the saris. So first you can give an introduction about your choices. What type of dresses you will wear. Then you usually wear. So then you can compare that with that particular person. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a place or a person or a home you like to visit but you don't want to live there. Okay. So most probably they will ask describe a place or home you like to visit but you don't want to live there. So what place is it? When do you visit that place? How you feel about it? And why you don't want to live there? Maybe you are a person who always loves to travel and explore new places, but you don't want to live in other hotel or you don't want to live in others' home. Okay, maybe you are such a person. So you can give an introduction like, well, I'm a person who always loves to travel and explore new places, but always I feel that nothing beats home. So I always try to come back to my home during the night time and I always like to be in my bed during the sleep time, or I always love to sleep in my own bed, like that. Okay, moving on to next cue card. Describe a piece of international news that you have recently heard. So you want to talk about an international news. This cue card also I updated one model answer in my channel, so you can check it out. Okay, so you should say what the news was about, where and when you heard it, what you were doing when you heard it, and explain how you feel about this particular news. So here you can give an introduction about news and newspaper have an indispensable part in our everyday life. So I usually start my day with reading newspaper. I'm interested to read both local news and also international news. Okay, like that you can give an introduction. Okay, so moving on to next cue card. Describe a short trip that you often take but you do not like. So about that may be the travel to your workplace or travel to your college or university. Okay, you usually take that trip but you are not so interested in that. Or even that may be to any market to purchase household things or any special courses which you joined. Okay, so you can include where you go, when you go there, why you go there, and explain why you don't like to go there or why you don't like this trip. Okay, so moving on to the next cue card. Describe an interesting conversation that you had. So we had this cue card from long back. Then one more chances is there. That means describe a conversation topic you were not interested in. So you want to check out with both these topic. The conversation topic you are interested in and also not interested in. Okay, then you should include who you had it with, where did you have it, what was the conversation and why did you have it. And it's about the topic which you are not interested means they will ask that to you in the sub question why you are not interested in that particular conversation. Okay, so you can start your talk like what all are the common topics we will discuss in our day-to-day life, about the sports, about the world issues, or about fashion, technology. So that's maybe according to the gender or about according to our age group and all. So you can give an introduction like that. Then you can move on with the subtopics. So the next cue card, describe a computer or phone game you enjoy playing since your childhood. So from the childhood itself, you like to enjoy that particular game. So you should say what the game is about, when you started playing it, how often you play this game, and why you enjoy playing it. So you can give an introduction like, I love playing games on computer and also mobile phone. So whenever I get time, I like to do this leisure time activity, or I spend my time like this. So I think playing games is a great way to spend one's time, and it also helps in the development of our mind. Then you can talk about your favorite game. Next cue card. Describe a thing you brought and you are happy about. Explain why you brought it, why you selected this product, from where you purchased it during your travel or something like that. Then explain why are you so happy about it. So here you want to talk about a thing which you brought and you are happy about that particular product. So you can give an introduction like, I have brought many things in my life, but one purchase which has really made me happy, it's my smartphone or it's my laptop or my bag, anything you can talk about. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe your favorite weather. What kind of weather is it? When this weather usually occurs, what do you usually do during this weather? Explain how this weather affects you and explain why you like this type of weather. So here you can give an introduction about different weather condition in our India. So weather is a short-term atmospheric condition. It keeps changing every day or every month. We enjoy many types of weather in India. We have hot weather season, summer, and cool season like winter. Then we have rainy season, then autumn, spring. Like then you can give a short introduction and you can talk about your favorite weather. Moving on to next cue card. Talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. You should say who you gave advice to, what the advice was about, why you gave this advice, and how you felt about this advice, whether it becomes success or a flop. So here also you can give an introduction about our culture or about our Indian culture, how we are giving advices to our youngsters or our family or friends. Okay, well, in our country, people give free advice to each other all the time. People give advice even when nobody is asking to. So it's a type of practice to show the care and love. Then you can talk about your content. Moving on to next cue card. Describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for first time. Then the sub questions. When you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it. Maybe you are a person who always loved to take traditional food items. So it was the first time you took a Western item or any foreign food item. Okay, like any pizza, noodles or any pasta, something like that during any function or any get together or like that. So you can give an introduction like that and talk about that experience. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a goal you want to achieve in the future, or else they will ask you like, describe an ambition that you have had for long time. So what the goal is, what would you do to achieve it, when will you achieve it, and explain why you want to achieve it. So you can give an introduction about the importance of goal setting. Setting goal is very important in life. Goal gives a direction to life. If we don't have a goal, we don't have anything to work for. I set up short-term goals and also long-term goals in my life. Then you can continue your talk. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a time when you forget something important. Then you should include when it happened, what you forgot, what was the result of your forgetting, why it was important. So here also you can give an introduction like, there are many situations in my life where I have forgotten something. I think it's usually happened in everyone's life. So today I like to talk about. Then you can continue. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a tradition in your country. So tradition in the sense any custom or belief which transfer from generation to generation. Then you should include what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it. So we have so many customs and tradition in our India. So you can give an introduction related to that and you can talk about any festival or any belief. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a person who you think is very open. Okay. So who is very free to talk or who are so open-minded. You should say who this person is, how you know this particular person, why do you think this person is very open, and explain how you feel about this person. So you can start like, I think very few people today are very open and frank. And you can talk about your own style too. What type of person you are. Whether you are an open person or you are so introvert, means you can give a small intro related to that. Okay. Then moving on to next cue card. Describe a family or a person which you like and very happy to know about. Most probably they will ask about a family. Okay, which you like and happy to know. You should say who they are, where they live, how you know them, and explain why you like them. So you can talk about your friends' family or your relatives' family. So you can start like, I know many families that live in our neighborhood, but there is one family that I really enjoy spending time with. That's my sister's family, or like that. You can continue. So, moving on to next cue card, describe clothes you wear on special occasions or describe your favorite clothes. So, here they will ask you in any form. Sometimes they will ask about the clothes which you like to wear in special occasions or about your favorite cloth. So, you should say what they are, who gave it to you, or where you brought it, how often you wear it, and explain how you feel about it or why you enjoy wearing it. So, if you are a shopaholic person and you like to update your fashion, like that means you can give an introduction like that. Everyone loves fashion nowadays. Even I also like to try new outfits every day, especially on the functions or special occasion. So I have got a huge collection of different dresses and suits in my cupboard. So here I would like to talk about some traditional suit or western wear, like that you can continue. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe an expensive activity that you enjoy doing occasionally. So here you want to talk about any expensive activity that you really enjoy. So what it is, who do you do it with, why is it expensive, and explain how you feel about it. So here you can talk about any type of activity that may be your hobby. Okay, so here you can give an introduction like my main hobbies include streaming movies, reading novels, and listening to music. So most of my hobbies are actually quite economical, but occasionally I like to go for river rafting or like any scuba diving, deep sea diving, skydiving, like that. You can anything you can talk about. Okay, then continue with the subtopics. Then moving on to the next cue card, describe an area of science that you are interested in. So recently also they asked the same question. So you can talk about any particular field of science or any area of science, that is like biology, botany, biochemistry, or anatomy, endocrinology, or about embryology, genetics. Even you can talk about nutrition too. Okay, so you can talk about any field of science. I think we have around more than 70 areas are there. That means divisions and special studies are there. So you can talk about anything. Okay. So it's better to give an introduction regarding science and your interest towards that. Okay. So you need to include what it is, how you learned about it, and why you are interested in it. So, moving on to the next cue card, describe a good decision you made recently. So, that decision may be related to your life, career, or anything. Okay. So, you should include what it was, when you made it, what the result was, and explain how you felt about it. So, you want to talk about any particular decision that you made in your life. So, you can give an introduction like to show the importance of decision making. Okay. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a prize that you received or talk about a prize you want to receive. These two questions are asking from low back. So take it about the tenses. Okay. Then what prize is it? How do you know about it? And what will you do to win it? And why do you want to win? So according to the question only you will get sub questions too. So you can start like I have always believed in working hard, not worrying about the outcomes, but I would be lying if I said that I didn't actually care about prizes. So when I was there in school, then like that you can talk about if they asked for the prize you already win. Then you can talk in past tense. Then if you want to win means like that you can arrange your talk. Okay. Moving on to next cue card. Describe an intelligent person you know or describe an energetic person you know. So they will be asking in any form. So who this person is, what does he do, and why do you think he is smart or intelligent, and how do you feel about him? Okay, so here you can start like I know many intelligent people or I know many energetic people in my life. I find some of my friends, teachers, neighbors are very intelligent or very energetic. So here I would like to talk about. Then you can talk about that particular person. Moving on to next cue card. Describe an occasion when you wasted your time. You should say where you were, when it was, what you did, and explain why you think it was a waste of time. So, in introduction, you can explain about the importance of time. No one likes to waste time, but still, most of us waste time because of some circumstances or because of anything unusual. So I think I have also wasted a lot of time, but a recent occasion which happened was during the COVID situation or something. You can continue. Moving on to next cue card. Describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. So you want to talk about a risk which you took in your life which had a positive outcome. What it was, why you took it, what the result was, and how you felt about it. So here you can start like we all take risk in our life. Sometimes we realize we are taking a risk. Sometimes we don't even realize that we are taking a risk. For instance, crossing a busy road is also taking a risk, and boarding a train which has started already. It's really a great risk. Or if you are choosing a career without any interest, or if you are choosing a career without knowing about that. Okay, so these all things are a risk in our life. So you can give a small introduction about that. Then you can directly talk about the topic. Next one. Describe a large company that you are interested in. So it's our next cue card. So which company is it? What it is like? How you know about it? How you feel about it? And why you have interested in this particular company? So you can talk about any particular company. Okay. So it should be familiar to all. Okay. So you can give an introduction like there are many large and successful corporations in the world today like Google, Reliance, Amazon, Tata, and so on. The company I want to work is Tata Industries or in Amazon Group. Then continue. Moving on to the last cue card, that is describe a goal that you achieved which was set by yourself. So what it was, when did you set it, how did you achieve it, and explain how it influenced your life. So you want to talk about a goal that you achieved which was set by yourself. So it's in past tense. So here you can start your talk by giving an introduction about the importance of goal setting, or how important it was to set a goal in our life that may be related to our life, career, or related to our job. Okay, so you can start by giving the importance of goal setting. Okay, so that's all about your cue cards. So try to make your own answers. So all the very best for your speaking test and also for your written exams. So practice more, practice in front of the mirror and try to record it and try to hear that. Okay, and if you like this video means please give thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So try to select the all option too, then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So stay tuned and thank you.